We'll be opening up a box of '05 Bowman Chrome. A little old school here today. Checklist, toss that aside. First pack. Roscoe Parrish rookie card. One Josh Davis autograph card. And Andrew Walter rookie card. Refractor, Corey Webster, Brian McFadden. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Braylon Edwards, autograph number to 199. Very nice, 2 autographs in the box. And we got 2 of the same cards, rookie cards. Another refractor looking, Kirk Morrison. Another Travis Johnson rookie card. David Green rookie card. Corey Webster rookie card.